In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide collection in Shopify. Hiding a collection is useful when you are preparing a seasonal category, updating products, or cleaning up your storefront navigation. The goal is simple. You will keep the collection in your Shopify admin, but remove it from your online store sales channel so customers cannot view it on your storefront. To get started, sign in to your Shopify admin. On the left-hand menu, go to Products, then select Collections. This takes you to the list of all collections in your store, including both automated and manual collections. Next, find the collection or collections you want to hide. Use the list to locate them, and then click the checkbox next to each one. Selecting the checkbox is important because it enables bulk actions, which lets you update multiple collections at the same time instead of editing them one by one. If you are only hiding a single collection, you can still use the checkbox to keep the process consistent and quick. Once your collections are selected, open the Bulk Actions menu. In this menu, look for an option labeled Exclude from Sales Channels, or in some Shopify admin versions, Manage Sales Channels. Shopify occasionally changes wording, but both options lead you to the same place, where you control where the collection is published. After you choose that option, a pop-up window will appear showing the available sales channels. In that pop-up, find Online Store and uncheck it. Unchecking Online Store means the collection will no longer be available on your storefront, and it will not be accessible through your theme navigation or collection pages. When you are ready, click Done to apply the change. Give Shopify a moment to save and update. As a helpful tip, if you have the collection linked in a menu, removing the Online Store channel prevents the page from displaying, but you may still want to remove or adjust the menu link later to avoid dead links in your navigation. Also, remember that hiding a collection does not delete it, and it does not remove products from your catalog. It only changes where that collection is visible. And that is all there is to it.